Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the world's most important tourism event, FITUR, also known as International Tourism Fair. If you are in the travel, tourism, hospitality or a business industry, this video is for you. Let's understand what FITUR is, who can participate, how to register and benefit of attending this event. So first of all, what is FITUR? So FITUR stands for International Tourism Fair. It's a global tourism exhibition held every year in Madrid, Spain. FITUR brings together tourism professionals, government bodies, travel companies, destination and investors from all over the world. The event focuses on travel and tourism promotion, business networking, tourism innovation, sustainable and smart tourism. FITUR is considered one of the top tourism fair globally, alongside events like ITB Berlin and WT London. Okay, so who can participate in FITUR? FITUR is open to wide range of participants, including travel agencies and tour operators, airline and cruise companies, hotel, resort and hospitality brands, tourism boards and government organizations. Destination management companies also can participate in it. Travel, technology and startup companies, investor and business professionals, media and tourism influencers. There are also specific days for professional and public visitor days. Now let's know about how to register. So as you can see on the screen, click on buy your ticket. Once you click on buy your ticket, then this page will open on your browser. You can see for professionally there are two options, one day professional pass and permanent professional pass, and for general public ticket there is another option. And you can check out the prices as well. So this is the page where you can find all the details. I will post this link in my description also. You can check it out from there also. Another button they have given for exhibitors. You need to click on this if you want to exhibit something. And here everything is listed down for the exhibitors, like how to participate. You can click here and three options it is showing right now. So now let's know about benefit of attending FITUR. Attending FITUR offers many advantages like global exposure for your brand and networking with the international tourism professionals and new business partnership and deals also it offers. Learning about tourism trends and innovations, promoting destination hotel and travel services, access to conference, workshop and B2B meeting, opportunity for investment and collaboration. For businesses, FITUR is a powerful platform to grow globally. Why FITUR is important? So FITUR plays a major role in supporting global tourism growth, promoting sustainable and reasonable tourism, encourage digital transformation in travel, connecting cultural and destination worldwide. In summary, FITUR is more than just a tourism fair. It is global meeting point for the future of travel. Whether you are a tourism professional, business owner or traveler, FITUR offers incredible opportunity to connect, learn and grow. So if you see in the site, it is showing that this event will start from 21st Jan and will end on 25th Jan. So please check it out for this event if you are interested. And if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want more travel business content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.